With ChatGPT, you can now upload your Excel files for analysis, create different types of charts, read large documents, create QR codes, and even edit your pictures. Now, the thing is, ChatGPT plugins give ChatGPT some extra powers, but Code Interpreter, it simply blows everything out of the waters. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some really amazing things you can do with Code Interpreter. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the settings, come to, this place, the better features. You click on better features and then turn on your Code Interpreter. So once you have that turned on, you can go back to the interface. And then we come to this place and we select Code Interpreter. So once you do that, you notice that there's an upload file icon in this place. So the first use case we're going to use it for is to perform data analysis. And I created a simple CSV file for you for this purpose. Now, if you notice that the header rows were sort of misspelled, and the reason I did this is that I want you to see the extent of its capabilities. Now, once we are done, I also wanted to create a profit column and another column for calculating the profit percentage. Now, once we are done, I created another one to show you the results that we are supposed to get. And then, well, this is a simple chart I just created. Now, let's get back to ChatGPT and let's see what we can do. So we click on this and then we select the file. So this is it. And then we upload it. And then once that has been uploaded, we are going to put our prompt there. Now, apart from the fact that ChatGPT has a limit of 25 messages every 3 hours, you also have to learn how to optimize your prompt by arranging your prompt in a sequential and orderly manner. Now, you can see that I numbered all the instructions I wanted to give me instead of sending 7 different messages. So the first one is I wanted to clean the data sets. The next thing is to create 2 columns, the profit column and the profit percentage column. The next thing is I wanted to format the data sets. The fourth one is I wanted to analyze it and give me some key metrics and observations. And the fifth one is where it is going to create the visualizations and capture the critical metrics. And you can see the sixth one is to create a report. And finally, I wanted to output the clean data as a CSV file. Now I want you to watch this process and see the beauty of how it works. Now, if you've ever used AutoGPT, you must be familiar with this process you are going to see. Now it is going to explain everything it plans to do for you. So you can see the first thing, it has recognized the products column that I misspelled. And you can see the cost and the revenue. So you can see it is telling you everything it is going to do. So in case you do not even really understand data analysis, you can listen to or you can read what it is saying to understand the process of cleaning data. This is just a very beautiful process. You can see it. You don't need to type another message. It's doing everything. So that's because I gave it, structured prompts. So once it's done with the first one, it moves on to the second one. So that saves time and saves, of course, compute power too. Isn't this just beautiful? Imagine the time it would take you if you had to do all these things yourself. So it's going to show us the top 5 products by profits, top 5 products by profit percentage. This is so beautiful. So can you see the top 5 products by profits and by percentage? Now let's see, it's about to create the visualizations. And this is the part that really blows people's minds. And this is it. So we're going to come back to it, but let's just see it. Let's follow the process. So you can see the profits for each product. So now it is giving an analysis based on the request I made to it. And finally, it wants to create the CSV file. Whoa. And this is it. This is the point. Now let us download the CSV file. We click on it. We download it. And then let's see what we get. Now this is the clean data set, and you can see that it created a profit and profit percentage column. And now let us compare it with the one that I did. So we can see that, let's see. So we can see it's 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, 1,500, 2,500, 500. And we can see it. But there's one thing that I noticed, and as much as I want to create a perfect video, I think I have to point this out to you. And as beautiful as this is, if you're a data analyst, I don't think you should be very scared of your job by now. Now, let's scroll up and I want you to see some errors that I noticed. So for example, the data set had 6 items. First of all, it started counting from 0, and then there are actually supposed to be 6 items. So it omitted the accessories. And of course, what it gave me was not exactly what it was supposed to give me because it omitted the accessories. Now, the interesting thing is that I ran this thing multiple times before doing this video and it performed perfectly. But what this just shows you that this thing, as good as it is not yet there, but it is very close. And we are getting to the point where you just sit down and just click your mouse and you are gone. But you can see that in the chat, it created the one for the accessories. You see it in this place, it created the one for the percentages. And then it gave us a lot of, very interesting observations. So from the first plot, it is clear that female dresses generate the highest profits, followed by perfumes. So what we can see is that even though female dresses generate the highest profits, your highest profits percentage comes from perfumes. And then you can also see the advice it is giving us. It says invest in high margin products like the perfumes and the male shoes. And that's because those ones have a higher profits percentage. And now, this is the prompt I gave it when I noticed that it skipped it. So I said, you skipped the accessories in the analysis. What did I do to you? What did I do wrong? And it told me that I apologize for any confusion. Maybe I did not include it in the data set. So it checked the data set and it realized that it actually missed it out. So it was like, I apologize for any confusion earlier. The data set does include accessories and then it gave me everything. Now it wants us to start all over again, but no, I don't think I'm going to start all over again. So that's for data analysis. So what we can get from this is that we've made so much advancement in the field of AI in just 7 months. And while it can do a lot of amazing things, you should not yet trust your life completely to AI. I mean, it's not like I'm ever going to trust my life completely to AI, but you need to use it with a pinch of salt and try to understand what you are doing. So the next thing is we are going to try to use ChatGPT to analyze the text in the PDF. So we are going to upload the PDF, and this PDF is about 20-something thousand MB. And let's upload it. And then it's uploading. So this is the prompt we are going to give it, and let's see the magic happen. Okay, so it took a little longer than expected, but you can see that it has given me a summary of the documents, and you can see the report introduces more original data, the AI index reports, blah, 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 blah. So you can see it's literally summarized the entire documents. Now, let me ask you to tell me more. So now we can see it's telling me more. So this just gives you an idea of the limitless possibilities you can do with, Code Interpreter. You can take this bulk document and literally ask ChatGPT to teach you how to, to help you summarize it. So now we are going to be using it to edit an image, and this is the image we are going to use it to edit. So let's go. Now we upload the image, and then we send this prompt. Okay, it's going to stretch it. Please proceed. Okay, now let's see the results. Okay, so this is the image. I mean, not so bad. It did the job. It told me it was going to be stretched out. So it made it black and white, and it changed the resolution. Okay, so now we are going to use it to create QR codes. And now it's going to create a QR code that links to my YouTube page for you to like and subscribe, of course. And then the second one is going to link you to my Excel course. So there's a course I made on how to use Microsoft Excel for data analysis. And the QR codes are going to link you directly to them. So I want you to show me a preview and provide me with download links. Now let's see. Okay. Okay, that started with its story. Okay. The links and the links. Okay, so you want to give me the preview. All right, good boy, good boy. Good boy, let's see it. Oh, fine. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So what you need to do, of course, is that you have to scan this and see if it works, of course. So let's scan it now. Let's see if it works. I believe you have your phones out right now trying to scan it to confirm that it works. So this is the part where you have to like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. I mean, that's not all Code Interpreter can do, but those are the few things I could show you. And I mean, this just changes the game like totally. Very soon we are going to get it to the point where, I mean, data analysis is just at the tip of your finger. Every single thing you want to do, you can do them on the ChatGPT interface with the plugins and the Code Interpreter and all the different things they plan to add over time. So I know that there are a lot of, chatbots coming out and everything, and everyone is trying to say they want to meet up with ChatGPT, but I feel that ChatGPT keeps pushing the boundaries. They keep pushing the goalposts. So Claude came out recently, yes, but I think that with this, ChatGPT has moved the goalpost again. And I mean, I'm here for the long haul and I'm loving this. So I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope you scanned that image, because you need to scan that image to like and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you want to learn a little bit about data analysis and how to use Excel, you can also scan the second one. So I would see you in the next video.